care of.
Don't say that.
No, what's
All
not?
right,
what's
scientific
in my list?
notation. Casey, I need you to stop talking.
I talk.
Okay, it's for big numbers and small numbers. That way you really just have to write out a whole bunch of zeros, one way or another. Josh? No. Okay, so if you have a very big number,
It's not that
unless
big.
it's a big number. Okay, we can write this. Let's add a few more zeros on that.
It's not that big.
We can write this so that way it doesn't look so cumbersome with a bunch of zeros. Okay?
Say cumbersome?
Yeah.
Well, I think
Don't
that's
use the
awesome.
word.
Okay. So remember with scientific notation, where do we want our decimal?
Yeah, you want to
Last warning. Shush.
Daisy, you need to start.
Okay. Where do we want our decimal with scientific notation? We have a certain place that we put it. Michael, what?
After the first
Good. So we want one non-zero number, okay, to the left of our decimal. So we want just one number here. So our number is going to be 7.81. We drop all the zeros, okay? And we write times 10 to the, how do I figure out what my power is?
11.
How many zeros there are?
Not how many zeros there are, but how many places we move our decimal. So right now in this number, our decimal's back here at the end,
4,
right?
5,
So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Oh, yeah.
Wait,
So it's
where'd the
not-
10 come from though?
That's just what
Okay.
you do.
That's just how scientific notation works.
Yeah,
Okay?
just-
What this means,
Use random numbers.
you guys, come on, Philly, please
Wait,
don't
could you
talk.
recap that?
Okay, so what this means is that 7.1 is multiplied by 10 11 times. If you multiply this number by 10 11 times, this is the number that you get. Okay? So
Easy enough.
let's do a small number. Okay, so now what if I have,
No.
what if I have a really small number? Now, where does my decimal go? Where do I want it?
Oh, you want it in front of 1.5.
I want it right here because I want one non-zero
Alright.
number left, right?
This is easy so far, man.
Okay, yes, this should be an easier lesson. So I have 1.5 times 10, what goes after this 10?
7.
1, 2,
Six,
3, 4, 5,
seven.
6, 7.
Negative.
It's going to be a negative
Because you
7
went backwards.
because it's a very small number, okay? When you have a very small number, less than 1, your exponents are negative. Because what it means is we're going to divide 1.5 by 10 7 times.
Wait,
No.
how can there be a decimal
That took so
by 1.5?
Shut up.
There's not, that's why I'm just moving
Oh,
it to.
I don't
That's why I
appreciate it when you
moved
tell
it
me to
to.
shut up.
Okay.
This is
Okay.
frustrating.
So, okay.
Sorry.
Okay. Are we okay on that? A little bit? Little bit? Okay, so now we're going to have these numbers and sometimes you're going to multiply them together. Okay? Santiago, Isaac.
funky.
So because we know all of our exponent rules, it makes us
Stop.
Oh no.
Okay, so we're multiplying these guys together. Any ideas about what you do?
Yeah, but wait, hold on, let me do this one.
Wow.
I want to try.
So it's 50 to
Alright.
negative 8.
Yeah, red.
Oh my god.
Alright, so you do 5 times 10 to the negative 8.
Okay, no. So there's a shortcut. Okay, you could do that. You could actually write this out as a number, write that out as a number. Okay, that's just very tedious. All right, so we're going to multiply 5 times 2.9. Okay, maybe do that for me real quick.
10.10. No,
11.5.
11.5.
13.5.
14.
Okay,
Dang, I got
and
it.
now, because I'm multiplying my powers of 10, okay, what do I do to my exponents?
Add them.
Add them. What's negative 8 plus negative 2? Yep. Okay, so one
Is that your
final thing,
answer?
this looks like scientific notation, right?
Sure.
But how many numbers do I want to the left of my decimal?
1.
1,
Aw.
so this is not standard form.
Okay, this is not gonna
Okay.
be fun.
I
This is
keep.
not that big a deal.
I don't like taking notes. It's hard.
Sounds like a personal
Okay.
issue.
So I want my decimal to be right there. Okay? So I want this to be 1.45 times 10 to the, I have to figure out what my new power is. Because whenever I move my decimal, I have to change my power, right? So, here's the way that I remember it. Okay, Casey. Did this number get smaller from 14.5 to 1.45?
Yes.
Yes.
That's my answer.
If this number gets smaller, your exponent gets bigger. Okay? So, what's the next bigger exponent?
Negative.
Negative 5.
Use these.
And vice versa. So if it
You're
gets
mean.
bigger from this number to this number,
You make fun
Okay.
of me.
then your exponent gets smaller. So they do opposites, right, in order to keep that balance. So I do have them. Okay, any questions on that guy?
No.
So we'll do one more and then I'll let you go to the boards, okay? So you're also gonna have to divide. It's okay. It's just like multiplication with the rules that you know.
Hate it.
I told you to. You don't need to worry.
No fear, Casey's iPad is here.
No one's worried, Casey.
I was.
Actually, yeah, we were worried, so.
Oh.
It take my pencil all the
Yeah,
time.
you freaking
Okay.
rat.
So I have
Can you show us?
1.2789 times 10 to the 9th. Divided by 5.22 times 10 to the 5th. What do I do first? Jess.
You divide 1.2789 by 5.22.
Okay, do
What?
that, and what do you get?
I don't have a calculator.
So cook me up.
You, Raymond.
0.45, 0.245.
Times 10 to the what? What do I do to my exponents when I'm dividing?
4.
To the 4th, I subtract those exponents. Everybody comfortable with that by now?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Now, is this in standard form? Or proper notation?
Yeah.
No, it's not. No.
No.
No, because how many non-zero numbers do I have left in my decimal?
2. I mean,
One.
1.
So I want my decimal to be right there. So I have 2.45 times 10. Okay. Did my number get bigger?
Yes, so it gets smaller.
Okay, so my exponent gets
Bigger,
smaller.
bigger.
If it gets bigger from here to there, it gets smaller here to there.
What?
Okay? In order
Wait.
to
Okay,
keep it
chocolate,
balanced.
chocolate.
So look, from 0.245 to 2.45. Okay,
Oh, this one's
2.45 is
division.
bigger,
For multiplication, it goes smaller.
But it.
It's
Oh.
also.
Same rules.
No,
Now look,
you did it.
okay,
It
look.
went smaller.
This guy, no, it didn't. What's a bigger negative number?
I don't
Negative
know.
number.
No,
Negative
that
5
one
is a
went
bigger
smaller.
number than negative 6.
14.5 is bigger than 1.45, so it should be -7 then.
No, because negative
Negative
5
7
is
is
bigger
smaller
than.
than negative 6.
But you go,
It's
but you go
negative.
less with when it's opposite.
Okay, from 14.5 to 1.45, it got smaller. Cool, we can agree on that? So therefore, your exponent has to get bigger. Negative 5 is a bigger number than
No.
negative 6.
Actually, it's not. Okay, I get it.
We're okay with that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wanna go to the
Guys,
boards?
got it?
No.
Okay. Kimmy.